Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony WX-GS920BH Car Radio receiver and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons that you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your radio is not connecting to Bluetooth or not syncing with your device, or if it seems to be frozen or not responding or lagging, then a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you're setting this up new in a car, or if you're moving it to a new car or something like that, any situation where you just want to be able to use it as though it were a brand new out of the box radio, we can just go ahead and do a hard reset. It's very easy to do. We're just going to need like a paper clip, or even the tip of a pencil or pen can work for this. We just need to find the reset button, which is right on the front. It's a little bit hidden, but if you see you have this dial here, right down to the left, below to the left, there's a hidden little, you can see it here, a little reset button. You'll just need to press and hold this for a couple of seconds, and that will initiate a factory default reset on the radio.